Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials: device unlocked, charged, and connected. Open Settings and go directly to Google. Once there, tap Ads in the Google Services list. This is where the advertising identifier lives. Make sure you're signed into the Google account used on the phone because settings sync can affect what you clear. You don't need to factory reset. We'll reset only the advertising ID. Now tap Reset Advertising ID to begin, and stay with me for the detailed steps next. Once you tapped Reset, confirm the action. Android immediately generates a new advertising ID. Next, toggle off the opt-out of ads personalization switch so apps stop building a profile tied to the new ID. Make sure to clear caches of problematic apps if you continue seeing tailored ads. Go to Settings Apps, pick the app, then Storage Clear Cache. This severs local signals. Also check permissions for apps that shouldn't access your ID or device info. Revoke anything unnecessary to reduce tracking. You finish by rebooting the device so apps refresh their settings and the new advertising ID is used consistently. If personalized ads still appear, sign out of your Google account and sign back in. Some apps cache identifiers server-side and need a re-authentication to drop the old link. As a last resort, uninstall apps that continue to ignore the opt-out or install a reputable ad blocker. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing changes, check for device management or work profiles that can enforce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.